So when you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
I wanted to be a lawyer. My first job out of college was working for a venture capital company, and I got paid extra to put in a client-server network. That's what my calling was. I loved it. It was super fun, and I just have never looked back.
Well, Jane is a super person, and we're happy to have her run our IT and broader functions, actually. First and foremost, he had to straighten out a little bit our systems to bring us into the 21st century.
When Paul hired me, he really wanted me to help deliver technology to our organization.
Everybody should be a digital native, and we should be sure that we have the technologies available that everybody can understand and can use.
That was the mandate. It was really get the technology organization that was working in the front office as opposed to always the back office.
Unilever has made an audacious goal, actually, to decouple our growth from environmental impact and at the same time improve our overall social impact. If you can marry your values and beliefs with the one of the company that you work in, you're undoubtedly going to be more successful.
We have an obligation as big corporations to help people in their lives, help people live better lives. 2.5 billion people every day use a Unilever product. We came to the company because of this mission. So it's great to work for an organization that sort of has this higher purpose.
Our best way to connect with the citizens of this world is through our brands. So each of our brands has a purpose, and the stronger that purpose, the better the brand does.
When I started in this role, I called my friends at Salesforce and said, listen, you need to help me out. We need to really move from a project-based way of working to a platform-based approach to really enable digital for the organization.
But think about connecting all these consumers. Now we can really be passionate. We said we were passionate about consumers. Now we can do it on a one-on-one basis.
The relationship between Unilever and Salesforce is not the old traditional software vendor and customer. This is really a true partnership.
And any of our brands to be successful long-term needs to actually have a movement of change behind that. Salesforce is a wonderful platform to help us build these movements of change.
Running fast in agility is in the DNA at Unilever. I think with Salesforce, it's just put it on steroids.
Technology has allowed us to disperse power amongst many people.
What I'm trying to do is put the power of the technology into the hands of the people that use it. And so I want to give my power away. I don't want to keep it to myself. It's too cool. You got to give it away.
Well, it's a tall order for Jane, and she's well on the way to make us all technologists. I think some of us are better at it than others.
We've got technology now really supporting all aspects of our business.
This is a relationship built on purpose, a relationship built on passion, positive energy, and for the greater good. And when you bring people together under that principle, miracles happen.
That will make you more profitable, more successful, and happier. Everybody wins.